just what I wanted. Great value for a really well-made Speakon. Good quality cable. Works good connecting my bass head up to my cabinet. Heavy gauge wire so I'm not losing power in the cable. Spend the extra money and buy these cables. Great cable does the trick. Hosa cable are stable, able and ready to connect your music. Enjoy. True genuine neutrik connectors and 12-gauge wire. You can tell these wires are top quality, and from the way they look hope they last years to come. I highly recommend these wires for the price. You can't go wrong, the quality is there. It's hard to find 12-gauge speaker wire, which is great for passing high current to manage your speakers. Cable works great, excellent transmission of current for sonic accuracy. Replaced my monster speaker 1/4 cables. Click link in description for more reviews.